On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass, and in this step, I'm going to show you how to apply your paper pattern pieces to your art glass. Remember, we labeled them red, orange, so you want to keep those somewhat separate, okay? When you get those, step over, grab your glue. You need some type of glue, okay? I've got them turned face down here. I'm going to barely spray. You want to spray your glue onto something. I'm going to pick up these pattern pieces now. Okay. Sometimes they'll just stick to your fingers. Okay. Oh, it's for orange as far as the way I labeled it for myself. Remember to put the grain line. Needs to match the grain line on your glass. There's another orange. Leave room to cut them out. There's a red from each other. Leave some space. And there's a red. Okay. If you've never cut art glass before, do yourself a favor and try practicing on some window glass. Just get a couple pieces here, okay? Window glass is just your clear glass, okay? Really good stuff to practice on. Much cheaper than your art glass, okay? You're going to put that on there, and you're going to practice cutting on this before you go to your stepping stone glass, okay? So practice. On the next step, I'm going to show you how to cut glass, period, whether it's this glass for practice or it's your beautiful colored art glass. It's going to be our happy sun stepping stone we're going to make in this mold. So check it out.